Hey guys, it's Holly.
It's Paige.
And we are back. And so today we are doing a slime review. Now, we don't buy that many slimes from stores, but it's always mostly homemade. So this is like our first slime bought from stores. And I think
It says right here, do not put in mouth.
because it says marshmallow slime. It's not really made out of marshmallows, and it says icing slime, and it's not really made out of icing.
So let's roll on. Oh, and before, like, subscribe, and you say the last one.
Comment
And
no hate.
no hate at all.
We will have to quit YouTube if you guys keep up the hate. So
And we do
no
not
hate,
wanna
and we
do
do not want to. So let's get on to the video.
now.
Okay, so first we're gonna do marshmallow slime, and we already agreed on this. So, and I think we got these. Our mom got these from Walmart, and then I know that you can get these at Toy Town in Cadillac, Michigan, and you can get it at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if you could get it at every Hobby Lobby though. So we're gonna start with marshmallow slime, and we already agreed on this. So, and I take it out, and it has no plastic seal on it, and I've never.
And it has glitter in it.
Well,
It never said glitter.
Yeah. So this is kind of a ripoff because it came with glitter, and it says marshmallow slime. But
Yeah.
let's see if it's clicky. Not really. It's not. I wouldn't say it's really, really, really stretchy.
But
like, it looks
stretchy
like-
enough.
Looks like marshmallows.
Stop it.
Alright, so I wouldn't say it's too stretchy. Like, it's not that stretchy. Like, it rips. I feel like they activated it with borax.
Yeah,
Let's
borax.
see what it does when I put it in. It farts. Okay, so it's good, and it looks like it farts when it goes back in.
This is edible chapstick that we made out of Kool-Aid.
We'll put the recipe down in the link below. Yeah. So that's the marshmallow slime. Let's see if the icing slime.
Icing slime is next. Mine has beads in it.
It must be the sprinkles.
Yeah. It feels kind of wet.
I'm sorry, I forgot to peel mine.
Mine feels kind of wet.
There was a peanut butter one at the store too, but
My mom told us, but she decided to give us. Yes, the beads fall out, but
Yeah,
mine
you can
feels
feel
really watery.
because I forgot to let you feel mine. You have to go all the way down and touch
Yeah.
the table for it.
And then stretchy for mine, I wouldn't say it's super stretchy, but it's okay stretchy.
Okay, so now we're gonna switch.
Not perfect.
Whoops. Now we're gonna switch slimes so we can feel each other's. Yeah. So here's my marshmallow. Ooh.
Yours doesn't feel as wet as mine, I would say.
Your beads do fall out. That's
Oh my
three
gosh.
now.
Yes. they
4.
fall out so many times. But
They added too many.
Yeah. But yours actually
5.
looks pretty with a little bit of glamour to it.
6, 7, 8,
Oh.
9.
All right. So
10,
we are
11.
going to move
Jeez.
on with our next slime when these slimes are put away. Okay.
Okay,
they are
so
put
the
away.
last one is big enough, I'm pretty sure, maybe, for each of us to have some.
Mhm.
Because if I can get it open, it's kind of hard. Whoa.
Oh. I put on some chapstick. Blue. Ooh, sour. Is it soft anymore?
It's kind of.
Ooh, yeah.
So it's very stretchy.
Very, and it's actually pretty good.
I wonder if it changes color. It looks like it would. It does. See?
It
So
was.
that's that. Okay, it was that. It turned darker.
Yay!
So it color changes.
I love this chapstick. It's edible.
I promise you, we do not know. It just looks like from the other slimes that we saw, because this guy told us that at the store. Because we went with our mom to get this one. He told us that
Our mom's name is
Casey.
Yeah.
And her really close best friend is Nicole.
And
We go with her like every day. She's
Yeah.
amazing.
And we get to see her tomorrow. Well, she was working. She works until midnight tonight, and then I get to see her tomorrow. We get to. So, Tama casita. Tama casita. Tama casita. So this slime is very sticky.
Yeah, let's add. I'm gonna add some lotion. Just a little bit.
We're gonna experiment. I'm gonna eat
So-
some chapstick.
Here's some Bali. I think Bali
Mango.
is body lotion. Sense lotion. So just added that much because
We've been doing Musical.ly, so we'll link our Musical.ly down below.
and our Instagram. We don't have Twitter or Facebook though.
Yes.
Because I've had Twitter before. I don't like it. Okay, so I made it more stretchy.
Oh, snap. Okay, when mine is mixed in, we will be right back. All right, so mine is ready. Mine is not sticky anymore. I mean,
It doesn't like stretch very good, but it like stretches. But then like you stretch it like this, and it like rips a hole or something. But it's good.
the chapstick is so good. We got a recipe, and then last night we made cake in a cup. And today we're making brownies.
So this slime is very clicky. Should have had it here from the start. So it's very clicky. Do you think we should stop the video and like do it like this?
No, I think the video is fine.
I love this. It's so cool.
I'm gonna add more of that after you.
So I'm adding a
The
little.
person who came in and was between us was our dad.
Uh-oh, webcam's about to die.
All right. So we will talk to you later. Bye.
So, this is a different camera, so it might look a little bit weird. But thank you guys for watching. Comment down below your favorite slime. Alyssa, what was your favorite slime? Alyssa. We just had our cousins over.
Yeah.
Lee.
How?
Paige.
We
What's
had
your
our
favorite slime?
cousins over. And, my favorite slime, I think, was this one, the Mystic Glare.
I think my favorite slime was my. But I do like. Actually, this is my favorite.
Yeah, so we had the same favorite.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And comment.
We'll see you all next time. Bye!